Hi, I'm Ron Elvesteffer, CEO of Service Express. Hey, it's still cold out here in Michigan, but I'm thinking about summer. So, I'm here to invite you for the 9th annual Driving Out Hunger Golf Classic. Right? We do this to help tackle a large and growing problem people here in West Michigan who are experiencing hunger. There's over 1.4 million of people here struggling with hunger in Michigan, and almost 400,000 of those are children. In the past, we've raised over $300,000 to support this program through Kids Food Basket. In 2021 alone, we had our biggest year ever, raised almost $70,000 to contribute to this great cause. It's super exciting, but we don't want to stop there. For all of you who have sponsored with us previously, we appreciate it so much, and we're inviting you back to do it again. Remember, it's exclusive this year because we sold out last year, so we want you to come in and commit and get ready to kick it off in June. If you haven't sponsored with us before, we invite you to come in. We have additional sponsorship opportunities for you. We'd love to have you be part of this amazing event to support this great cause. Kids Food Basket is an amazing organization, and this outing is a great opportunity to network here locally while raising money for a great cause. Summer's approaching, so mark your calendars. The outing will take place on Tuesday, June 7th at Watermark Golf Course. To me, this is a great way to kick off summer. It's right after Memorial Day. We gathered for this kickoff, the weather's turning nice, and off we go into summer. So let's all come together to be around great people, enjoy amazing food, and have a fun, full day of golf supporting this amazing cause. We look forward to seeing you in June.